Good evening, everyone. I feel really overwhelmed speaking in between all these amazing speakers. My name is Swati Pakre. I'm 24 years old. I graduated as an engineer from Bharati Vidyapit College in 2019. Since last 2 years, I have been working in Accenture as a software engineer. I have been part of Abhyudaya since 2009. I live in Mumbai with my mother, my younger brother, and Lata auntie. Lata auntie, her full name is Lata Namgude. She was air hostess in Air India and she got retired in 2012. We are not related by blood, but she is no less than our real grandmother. I spent my early life in my village, Sangvi. It's a very small village near Pandharpur. My family life was nowhere being perfect. My father used to physically harass my mother, so eventually she decided to leave him. Being from a remote village and with all the family pressure, it was really brave decision that she took. But my father didn't let her have us, so we had to stay with our grandmother. So our grandmother was the motherly figure in major part of our childhood. Later, my father married again and moved away to stay with our stepmother. But every time he used to come visit us, we would just hide somewhere because we were really scared of him because the images of him harassing our mother really haunted us. I remember my mother telling me that when I was born, my father didn't wanted a girl child, so he tried to kill me. But I don't hate him for that. My mother saved me. Uh, I was in my third standard when we shifted to our mother's village, but our father didn't agree to that. So every time he used to come, create some scene, and just take us back to our village. So that also affected our education. Later, my mother also shifted to Mumbai to help Lata auntie. Lata auntie was single and she was diagnosed with cancer, so she needed some house help. So my mother helped her with all the chemo sessions and everything. But she used to miss us and cry to her all the time. So Lata auntie suggested that why not bring them here in Mumbai? So that was the turning point. I remember I was in my school, I was playing on the ground. My grandmother came and she said, let's go, we are going to meet your mother. So we took my brother, traveled for 12 hours and came to Mumbai. It wasn't easy for us to adjust here. Me and my brother were very young when our mother left, and my brother was not used to living with my mother. I was the only one he was attached to, so he would just hide behind me. He didn't even come inside the house. He just wanted to go back to village. So it took time for us to adjust to everything. Nothing was planned, how we are going to stay, how our education would be. But later it was decided that since Lata auntie doesn't have children of her own, so we would stay with her. So we got admission in school, but even there also we faced issues since we didn't bring anything with us. We just came on school uniform. We didn't have any proper documentation as well. So but everything was adjusted and I got admission in Vidyavika school. My school principal, she was having doubts of me even passing the 5th class because we had come from a village and there was major language barrier. I couldn't even speak Marathi, which is my mother tongue, so I couldn't even speak that properly. But I worked on myself. I worked on my language. I was good in academics. I scored 3rd position in my 5th class. So then Lata auntie decided that she will support us in our education. So that's when the journey started. And in 7th class, I got introduced to Abhyudaya. They had come to our school, they interacted with us, and the Didi and Bhaiyas, they were really sweet. Then we met Professor Rukia Joshi ma'am. She was the head before Deepa ma'am. And uh, Abhyudaya really helped us develop our personality and all the aspects of life. We had several lectures and sessions there, such as computer classes, Kathak, classical music. I learned classical music for 2 years there. Then drawing, yoga sessions, English lectures to help students from vernacular backgrounds. So I feel very lucky to be part of Abhyudaya. In Abhyudaya, we call each student a sitara, which translates to star. So every year, each sitara would be assigned a student mentor from SPJMR. So most of the students from Abhyudaya come from a poorly educated family background. So having a mentor was like having a older brother or sister to whom you can ask all your doubts and concerns to. I remember one of my mentor gave me my first book, The Alchemist, and I really loved it. I can't thank enough for all the memories and lessons that Abhyudaya has given me. They even supported me financially. I continued scoring second and third position in school, and then I topped in my 10th standard. So it was kind of a surprise for us, and everybody was happy, and that made me happy. That also helped me get my scholarship for my 11th and 12th standard. Later, I got admission in Bharati Vidyapit, graduated, and then starting working in Accenture. So currently, my mother does all the housework. My brother is in third year of his degree. Lata aunty is retired while I work from home. So things at home are still not how they are supposed to be. Lata auntie's family doesn't support us living with her, and we have been criticized a lot. My father still harasses my grandmother for sending us away from him. He doesn't know that we are here in Mumbai, otherwise he would come here and create some scenes and try to take us back. So, but I have learned to adjust with everything that comes along. I have been through depression and anxiety, but all of that have only made me stronger. For me, being emotionally fit is as much important as being physically fit. So I'm constantly working on myself. Because of my mental health, I have faced a lot of health issues as well. But now that I'm aware of my own thoughts, I am constantly channelizing my thoughts and focusing on what's important for my life. Now I don't want to look back. I just want to make everyone proud who have helped me throughout my journey. Make Lata aunty proud because she has taken such a good care of us, and it's now our turn to do the same. And I want to support my brother, make my mother happy, and create a perfect family that I've always wanted. Thank you.